Hey everybody, it's me, and you know what day it is. Today, my dudes. Oh my god, kill me. But anywho, we have a new quest, and I also have some other quests that I had to wait a day for. But we're gonna do this quest first. I think, yeah, this is a race. So after I do this race, since it gives me a lot of XP, I'm gonna go get my pony, not my Zoni, my pony. And I'm gonna, since she's a level 11 and she's almost a level 12, I'm gonna do this and then get the XP from this, get back on Rose, and I'll be okay. So, I'm really bad with new races. Like, very bad with new races. So, this is gonna be a journey for me, a roller coaster. And probably the most boring thing you've ever seen that came, no, it's not the worst thing you've ever seen. It's one of the dumbest things you ever see, because I get stupid when it comes to new races. Like, let me tell you that. Oh, yeah, I'm stuck in the ground. I'm stuck. That's great. I love this. I'm going on to my favorite rocket ship. Okay, can I get out? Please? I can't go any faster than a walk. It's great. I'm having so much fun. Okay, hold on. Oh crap, I didn't mean to press the record button. Okay, now this is where I screwed up. This is where it all went wrong. No, that was great. So I got confused when it came over here because I did not see a checkpoint anywhere. Oh, yeah, I wasn't paying attention once in a bit. Can I knock you out too, please? Thank you. Oh. Okay, I'm actually terrified. I'm walking. I saw other people do this. I thought it was just like a glitch or something. Excuse me. I didn't know it was actually a race. I just thought it was like a huge glitch that was going on. I keep doing that. Guess he's gonna die. Yeah, my dad's asleep, so if you hear like noises and someone talking in the background, is he chasing them with fire? He's chasing them with fire. Great. And they're going Zoom. Anywho, as I was saying, that's my dad watching some, I think it's live stream Twitch. I went on Twitch. I don't know, it's a live stream thing. I mean, most 99% of the world has heard of it. Can you not, please? Okay, thank you. So I found the new horse that came out. It is super cute. But sadly, I cannot afford it. Oh my god, it looks like is this North Swedish? But this is, oh my god. When I have enough to get it, I will buy it for sure. Especially for sure. Because that is so freaking cute. Okay. Well, I think that's all for today. I'll see you, well, I think that's all for today. I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Bye! Oh my god, my voice.